Hello everyone! Today I went to Haneda Innovation City. It's really close from Haneda Airport. It's with many different places to eat and shop. And I found this really cool spot that looks like really Japanese. So let's see what it's all about. What's this over there? Ramen? A ramen machine? The first time that I see a ramen machine. So many. Salt, miso, many different brands too. They all look good. Steam and I can smell it. Oh! Oh! It's done! Whoa! Oh, it looks so good! It's good. Oishi. It's pretty good. It doesn't taste like instant ramen, it tastes like from a ramen shop. It's really good. Yeah, I definitely recommend coming here when you come to Japan because it's really nice and this ramen is really good and you should definitely try it. Come here when you visit Japan. Itadakimasu!